see how I made these awesome pair of acid wash jeans, then keep on watching. What is good, fashion people? It is your curly hair brown boy, the Prince, and welcome back to the channel, guys. And so in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make some acid wash jeans. So I have these jeans that I've been wanting to bleach, and I thought to myself, like, you know what? Why don't I just do an acid wash? And so we're doing it, guys. And so if you guys are ready, let's get started. So guys, welcome to my backyard, and we'll be working outside today. The bleach smell can be quite toxic.
Do you smell it? That smell. The kind of smelly smell. The smelly smell that smells smelly.
So I do recommend working in a well-ventilated space. So guys, here I have a bottle of bleach, and the brand really doesn't matter, guys, and also a small spray bottle. So I'm gonna pour the bleach into the spray bottle. But first, I almost forgot, first we need gloves, right? So guys, here I got my gloves. Safety first, guys, wear gloves. Okay, cool. So guys, here I have a piece of denim, and so this is what we're gonna use to test out our acid effect before actually going onto our actual jeans. So here we go. I got my bleach right here, and as you guys know, on this channel we just go crazy, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna start spraying it. Okay, cool. So now I'm gonna leave this for a little while and just wait for the bleach effect to start kicking in, and then we'll see how this looks.
20 minutes later.
Okay guys, so it's been about 20 minutes and the denim has become a lot lighter. So it's not that easy to see the bleach spots because the fabric was already quite light. But it's okay. I'm quite happy with how the bleaching is coming out, and I think I'm ready to get started anyway.
So guys, now that we've done doing our test, we're gonna go ahead and get started and acid wash our actual pair of jeans. So these are the jeans that I'll be using today, and so let's get started. First things first is we're gonna take a piece of plastic. It can even be cardboard, anything you want, basically to put in between the jeans so that the bleach doesn't leak through onto the other side. So now we're gonna go ahead and start spraying our bleach. So a bit of a technique that I also do is actually just spraying onto my hands and just using that to create some droplets as well, so that we also have like a variety in droplets, some big ones, some small ones, because this spray bottle does spray quite finely. So I also want to get like some bigger droplets on here as well. So guys, that's how you do the acid wash technique. So I'm going to continue doing it all over the jeans, and then I'm going to leave it for about a couple of hours so that the effect really gets really strong and all the bleach parts are really nice and white. So I'm really excited to see how it's going to turn out, and let me just continue. So guys, I am done with the bleaching. Oh my goodness, the pants are looking really good. So as you guys can see here, the acid wash is already taking effect, and I'm quite liking it a lot. So I'm gonna leave these pants to dry, let that bleach continue, and I want it to be as light as possible. And as soon as that's done, I'm gonna take it and chuck it into the washing machine.
Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Oh, damn, guys.
The pants are looking so good. I am really happy with the end result. I left them to dry overnight, and now it is the time that we have all been waiting for. Time for the big reveal. Cue the montage. So guys, that is pretty much it from me. I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video, that you found it informational, and if you did, guys, then please go ahead and drop this video a like. Just smash that like button, guys. It helps let me know that you guys enjoy my content. And if you're new to the channel, you enjoy fashion DIYs, fashion reviews, and fashion reaction videos, then you are going to want to sub to the channel, guys. That is exactly the type of content I make on my channel. So guys, thank you all for watching. I'll see you next time. Keep living your passion.